Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, I know a lot of you have said that you will take customer service positions if they are higher paying, and that is what I have for you today. The company is Cherry Technologies. They have 28 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. Of course, if you enjoy job leads like this, please, I just ask that you let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Of course, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But Cherry Technologies is hiring a customer support specialist. This is going to be remote for the United States only. Now, one thing to note about them, they started in 2019, so they are fairly new, growing up and coming startup company. They're a fintech company. They have created a buy now, pay later solution for medical practices like dentists, medical anesthesiologists, doctors, veterinarians, things like that. So we are used to seeing things like Klarna and Afterpay, these buy now, pay later companies that are popping up here in the last few years. We normally see them geared towards consumers to buy things like in stores where you can go shopping in Sephora or charge like your Shein orders or whatever it is to them. This company is doing it a little bit different though. They're doing it for medical services. But of course, they're basically looking for somebody to do that basic customer support, working with customers to satisfy inquiries with one-call resolutions in mind. So you're going to review, monitor, engage, and keep track of high call volume of customers per day, handling both inbound and outbound calls, reviewing current strategies, and providing feedback to your upper leadership on how to improve the department as Cherry as a whole. They're still growing and looking for ways to improve. So when you're talking to these customers, you're going to document their interactions with those borrowers that have subscribe to the pay now later service. You'll provide problem solving resolutions for anything on their account. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. It says it's desired or preferred, but only a high school diploma or GED is required, and somebody who has 1 year of customer support experience. Now, they prefer you to have experience with like point of sales or financial products, but that is not required either. So just that high school diploma and 1 year of customer service. Of course, you have to have a strong work ethic and have those intermediate level skills working with like Microsoft Excel or the Google Sheets version. Just somebody who can work with those basic computer systems. Pay for this position is a straight $60,000 a year. They say they offer bonus pay on top of that, as well as a standard benefit package that includes medical, vision, and dental benefits. Let me know down in the comments below if you would consider phone customer service work if pay is of a certain amount, and let me know what that pay is. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.